valekwa zialuz etekus ipaladesu valeninu manakus avalidu bragadekus kalbaninu balakabrakadis kuvaladi rade nabalagus kapandiada. Nature Planet unlocks new prayer. Nakubala lele filanu suva andiskipala rekuzi avide bra ale ukwania zideskuzi da bragadiadu vagabalagade raninu pala alekuzi Baleviana duzi kande elekika katakadus kukuski kafi elekwa prakaski kavelekede bregede rane kuskadi zedu aveledu bragada rekwakade eski kataba alevina nuza kabele kubra aleskuzi da veliadu ragada. Nature begin to bless me now. Nature begin to bless me. Nature begin to bless me. Nature begin to bless me. Nature begin to bless me now. Kalakadiazu kapale fila kubra malelu zibale vida bandi kuskuzi dabale ele kwabra leluzi baragada redige deduku kapabe fikeski katabra alekuski vandis kubra ale kubra naniadu zadabragada rededededededede ekwasada bragada. Just by watching my video, healing is taking place in your body. That terrible sickness, that stubborn sickness that refused to leave you for years, now is leaving you. Kalakada akakati kekeke koku prakatis kafala kadis kubra aniaru rekapa aveke beleke bregede bregede irudu zida brane fele kus katabra andis kubra alakidu bra anikadu valediza braga elevigada garagus kwanadia ragada radede kakakatis kapa ekwa pandi subra rekapusi da bragada. I am a gangster prophet. I'm not just an ordinary prophet. I'm a gangster prophet. Kazuzu via raguda bragada. Anything I say come to pass. Anything I want, I get. Now, you get that promotion. They call you for that job. Right now, manenu malelu ralele kware kwa diza akandi zuva adikatu kupra izi adubra ikeveli dubra rede kakakatisku falabre ele kwazigede. You are pregnant now. There's baby in your womb. Immediately you meet with your spouse. That baby begin to form. Now, by my power and ability, right now, you are whole again. Begin to rejoice. Do well to share my videos to more than 10 people. Salam alaikum.